Hi everyone, in this tutorial I will show you how to design images on clothes in Heartopia. This is a continuation of the Jean Morin Letter Quest. After you receive the follow-up quest from Kaching that called Brass Strokes Whimsky, just go back to your house and take your drawing board like this, and then next just choose the whether you want to design clothes or accessories. Just choose your clothes or accessories like this. And then for this tutorial I will design a bucket hat like this. And then next just choose the tools that you want to use. You can draw freely or use shapes or the bucket tool or template stamps with ready-made images. In here I will use the stamp tool like this, and then just place your designs or on any sides that you like. In here I will add a designs on the front of the hat and also on the top part or crown part like this. I will choose the stamp and then I will just make it like this, just really to design your clothes. And then when you're done, just save your designs. And then after that just go to your workbench and then just tap on sew, and then just choose your bucket hat and then select your designs and then just tap on confirm to start the sew, and make sure you have enough sewing tickets. And after the item is finished like this, just visit Dorothy to complete the quest like this. Just visit the Dorothy and then just confirm the quest to complete it like this. And okay, maybe that's it. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.